So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to share your audio on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open Zoom desktop and then you guys will need to join a meeting, or even you can start your own meeting by just selecting this button right here. After that you guys will get into the meeting. Now whenever you share your screen by just selecting this button right here, you guys will find these options. Now you can go with any one of these, and then so after sharing your screen you guys play a video and you want to share that video's sound to your colleagues or members of the meeting. So what you have to do is just select this button right here which is called share sound. Now select it, and after that select share button. So now guys, as you can see, whenever you play a video while sharing your screen, the sound of that video can be listened by your members of the meetings. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.